In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert date in Google Sheets. Start by opening your spreadsheet so you can see the sheet where you want the date to appear. Make sure you're on the correct tab and that the sheet is ready for editing. This helps avoid placing the date in the wrong place or overwriting data you want to keep. Click the cell where you want to insert the date. It could be part of a header, a log, or any column dedicated to tracking when entries were made. Choosing the right cell now keeps your sheet tidy and consistent. On your keyboard, press the equals sign. This tells Google Sheets you're about to enter a formula, which is how we'll add a date that updates automatically. Begin typing the word today. As you type, you'll see function suggestions appear just below the cell. You're looking for the today function, which returns the current date based on your spreadsheet's locale and time zone. Click on the today suggestion in that list. When you select it, Sheets will complete the function for you and add the parentheses, so it appears as today. This function doesn't take any arguments, so those parentheses remain empty. Press Enter to confirm. The cell will immediately display the current date. From now on, each time you open the spreadsheet or it recalculates, that date will update to reflect the new day automatically. This is perfect for dashboards, logs, or any sheet where you want today's date without having to type it manually. If the result looks like a number instead of a date, that just means the cell's format is set to plain text or a different number style. You can change the display to a date format using the formatting options in the toolbar or the format menu, and the value will show as a readable date like month, day/year, or day/month/year, depending on your regional settings. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Today updates by design, so it's dynamic. If you ever need a fixed date that won't change, that's a different approach, and you'd convert the formula to a value later. Also, if you apply this to multiple rows, you can copy the cell or fill it down. Each one will always show the current date when the sheet recalculates, and that's all it takes. You've just added a live, always current date to your Google Sheet using the Today function.